The clean girl makeup look wasn't just a trend. It was a global phenomenon that swept across continents and cultures, influencing millions of people and reshaping the way we think about beauty. It redefined beauty standards for years, encouraging a new appreciation for simplicity and authenticity in personal style. The movement championed minimalism, putting healthy, glowing skin and natural features at the forefront. Instead of heavy layers, it celebrated the beauty of what's real. Freckles, natural brows, and a radiant complexion. The look was all about appearing effortlessly polished, as if you woke up flawless with just a hint of color and a touch of gloss to enhance your natural beauty. Social media, especially TikTok, played a huge role in making it viral. Tutorials on dewy skin, fluffy brows, and glossy lips flooded feeds, inspiring people everywhere to try the look for themselves. The clean girl aesthetic quickly became a symbol of quiet luxury and understated confidence, representing a lifestyle that was both aspirational and accessible. It was the beauty equivalent of a crisp white shirt, timeless, elegant, and modern, fitting seamlessly into any occasion or wardrobe. As the trend grew, products shifted to lightweight tints, hydrating serums, and creamy blushes, making it easier than ever to achieve that fresh, barely there look. For years, this look set the standard for beauty. Simple, fresh, and universally appealing, transcending age, background, and personal style. But as with all trends, its reign was destined to end. The world of beauty is always evolving, and soon a new era was ready to take its place. The stage was set for a bold transformation in the world of makeup, promising fresh inspiration and exciting new looks for everyone. By 2025, beauty is undergoing a vibrant rebellion against minimalism, embracing a new era of boldness. The clean girl's soft whispers are replaced by bold, expressive makeup. Faces become canvases for creativity and fearless experimentation. Maximalism is in. Vibrant eyeshadows, shimmering metallics, and dramatic transformations now dominate the scene. Pinterest searches for full-color makeup eyes have skyrocketed, reflecting a hunger for boldness and creative inspiration. The viral, unrecognizable makeup trend celebrates dramatic changes, empowering people everywhere to reinvent themselves. Makeup is now about fantasy, escape, and exploring every facet of personality and imagination. The new era is about authentic self-expression, loud, colorful, and ever-changing with no limits in sight. As bold beauty takes over, several old trends are fading fast. Food-inspired micro-trends like latte eyes and cherry cola lips are out. Creativity now trumps cookie-cutter looks. Harsh, opaque contouring and heavy under-eye baking are replaced by softer, more modern techniques. The era of laminated soap brows is over. Brows are now softer and tailored to the individual. Faux freckles have lost their charm, with real skin texture or a flawless base taking center stage. The shift is about breaking rigid rules and embracing personal style. It's not about judgment, but about making space for new, diverse ideas in beauty. Even as maximalism rises and bold, expressive looks take center stage, the clean girl aesthetic hasn't disappeared. It's simply transformed. The movement has adapted, finding new ways to stay relevant and inspiring in a world that's always changing. The 2025 version is all about celebrating what makes you unique. Maybe it's a sharp graphic wing, a radiant cheekbone that catches the light, or lips defined just enough to make a statement. This year, the focus is on enhancing your favorite feature, not hiding behind a mask. The all-over flush technique is a game-changer, sweeping a soft wash of color across cheeks, temples, nose, and even the forehead. This creates a seamless, healthy glow that looks like it comes from within, not just from a makeup brush. Under-eye brightening has become more refined. Instead of heavy concealer, a touch of shimmer in the inner corners of the eyes brings a luminous, wide-awake look. Perfect for those early mornings or late nights. Brows are no longer over-sculpted or harsh. They're simply groomed, brushed up, and left to frame your face in a way that feels effortless and true to you, enhancing your natural arch without overpowering your features. The new clean look is polished yet deeply personal. It's about celebrating individuality, letting your quirks and unique traits shine through, and moving away from the idea of one-size-fits-all perfection. It's about working with what you have, embracing your natural features, and feeling confident in your own skin, rather than forcing yourself to fit into a fleeting trend. This evolution keeps the best of the original clean girl look, freshness, health, and radiance, while making it more personal than ever. Now it's all about making the trend uniquely yours and letting your true self shine through every day. On the opposite end, the unrecognizable makeup trend is all about transformation and artistry. Full coverage bases, dramatic sculpting, and bold lines reshape the face entirely. This isn't subtle enhancement, it's reinvention, empowering anyone to become their own makeup artist. Eyes pop with vibrant shadows, graphic liners, and dramatic lashes. Lips are overlined and bold. Critics call it catfishing, but fans see it as creative empowerment. The result is a powerful, polished look that's radically different from natural beauty. In 2025, makeup is a tool for self-expression and radical transformation. The shift in makeup trends reflects a deeper craving for creativity and individuality. Industry experts agree. People want their makeup to tell a personal story, not follow a single mold. Playfulness is in. Bold colors, metallics, and experimental looks are celebrated. Makeup is now a joyful hobby, a way to de-stress and explore identity. The most powerful looks are those that feel authentic, whether minimalist or maximalist. Even controversial trends like unrecognizable makeup are seen as empowering and skillful. In 2025, there are no rules, just endless opportunities for creative expression. In 2025, there's no single right way to wear makeup. The world of beauty has become a vibrant tapestry, woven from countless individual choices and creative visions. No longer are we confined to a single standard or pressured to fit into one mold. The era of one dominant trend is over. Personal choice reigns. Each person's look is a reflection of their mood, their story, and their unique sense of self. It's about celebrating what makes you, you. Authenticity is the real trend. Mix, match, and create what feels right for you. Experiment with colors, textures, and techniques. Share laughs with friends as you discover new favorites together. Embrace the clean look for day, go bold for night, or switch it up whenever inspiration strikes. There are no limits, only possibilities. Or blend both for something new. Let your imagination guide you and don't be afraid to break the rules. Your makeup bag is a playground, not a rule book. Each product is a tool for self-expression, waiting for you to make it your own. Let trends inspire but never dictate your style. Use them as a springboard for your own creativity, not as boundaries you must follow. Your face is your canvas. Be the artist. Every brushstroke is a chance to express how you feel, who you are, and what you love. The most beautiful look is the one that makes you feel your best. Confidence and joy shine brighter than any product you can buy. This is a story of freedom, to be minimalist, maximalist, or anything in between. There's room for every style, every mood, and every personality. Celebrate your uniqueness, because that's the one trend that never goes out of style. In the end, the art of personal expression is about honoring yourself and letting your true colors shine.